Day. Hapon, Shibuya. Ngayon, Mount Fuji naman tayo ngayon. Lakad-lakad. Sayang ang pasyon kung puro stay home. Kaya ito, lalakad-lakad papuntang istasyon. Lakad-lakad tayo. May crossing ito. What a beautiful morning. Welcome to Tokyo. Diyan na lahat. Go. Ang aking morning Tokyo. Ito naman. Punta na naman tayo sa tren. Dito lang yun eh. Bye. Crossing. Tatamad na maglakad. Ito nga eh. Tamad. Ito na naman tayo sa tren. Maghihintay na naman tayo ng tren. Taga ng tren. Malamig. Tayo sa upuan. Lamig. Tayo sa upuan. Ayan ang tren.
What?
Are we going to Ziara
Yes.
for next year?
まもなく1番線に中目黒行きが参ります。
Tren. Ayan. Pulo. Tren ka na naman. Second day. Full pack. Last ito, di ba? Yeah. Wala po tayo pupunta. Ayan o, park. Train station. Nasaan na tayo? Oh, Shimachi. May tren. Shimachi. May tren na naman. At na naman. dito lang muna. At nasa ano na tayo, Mount Fuji. Ang hirap pagkarap na train. Bye for now. Tao. Mamadali ka talaga eh. May oras kasi. Ay, hirap. Hirap ng may ano, may appointment. Ang tao, Tokyo. This is Tokyo. This is Tokyo. Ayan, no? Galing na tayo rito eh. Tokyo Station. Galing na tayo rito. Galing na tayo rito. Di ba? Workout kay Machi. Masa tayo magkikita? Ha? Mas na yata sila eh. Oh, dito nga tayo galing nun. Ito. This is Tokyo. Tokyo Station. Di ba yun? Yung mga bus na yun? Hey! Di ba yung mga bus na yan? Ito, di ba? Tokyo Station.
Obishi Park. Will be there 7:15. Ano ba yun?
Ha? Ang daming ano eh. Daming bus. Hindi kaya yung mga yan? Alam ko yan yun eh. Ha? Tokyo. Daw. Okay na muna. Welcome to Tokyo. Tayo na tayo ng bus.
Hi, good morning, my friend.
Hello.
I'm your guide of the day. You can call me Virginia. Hi, Ate.
Dito tayo guys sa tourist bus. Nag-bus tayo going to Mount Fuji. Dito tayo sa Mount Fuji. Dami lang po. Matakbo na tayo. Ilang oras kaya yung Mount Fuji na yun. Mount Fuji. Mount Fuji. Sama natin puro ano. Ibang ano, ibang lahi. Isa. Lang tayo nasa ano eh. Nasa Cubao eh. Nasa dulo tayo. Lino ng tubig oh. Hindi natin alam to eh. Saan to eh? Malaki ng isda. Malaki, walang isda. Welcome to Tokyo, Japan. Shinjuku o Shinpeki. Gilid ng bahay dito. Tokyo Medical College Hospital. Shinjuku Police Station. Shinjuku pala to. Shinjuku. Tapos dito, umikap uli ng pasahero eh. Tapos dito, diretso na ng ano. Diretso na ng... Diretso na ng Mount Fuji.
5 moments. So today, we set off at 8:05. Okay, for the last row, the people didn't come. Okay, yes. So just 5 minutes. More. Yeah, this is for you something emergency. Okay, yes. Then video sent off. Okay, but if you think then don't worry. Okay, I can take a taxi to follow you, get you. Okay, no. It's very difficult. You know, because today where we will go to visit is a small town, small village. Yes, difficult to take taxi. Not the same like Tokyo or everywhere. Yeah, with taxi, so my taxi. No, they are not. This park, okay, for 10 minutes. Okay, now I will show you our parking lot. Okay, our meeting point always is our bus. Okay, our meeting point always is our bus. Okay, now I will show you our the swan. That's a beautiful, the white one. Yeah. Oh, yes. And a very big one. Now you will see the very big one. The swan. Okay. So that I will show you it. Now I will show you our parking lot and where the bathroom, toilet. Okay, there are 2 bathrooms. Okay, 2 toilets. Okay, and also a smoking area. And I told you around this place, around this park. Okay, that's
Mount Fuji. Ito raw yun. Kaya nagtatago. Nahihiya. Si Mount Fuji. Ako pila.
no, cannot because it's
It's windy. Ano? Cloudy.
Very cloudy.
It's very cloudy. And it's
First
cold.
stop.
Oh my
Woo!
God.
And it's cold. Woo! Only in Japan. Woo!
Too windy, anak. Too windy. Oh.
Oh, nice. Lake. Gosh. Sarap niya. No, dapat tayo mag-feed dyan.
There's the food, oh. You have to buy to feed.
Huh?
100.
Ayun.
100 yen. You wanna feed?
Ang ganda, oh. Ganda ng Japan talaga. Hindi naman, mainit naman eh.
Ha?
Mainit.
こちらは山中湖観光船の旭ヶ丘桟橋でございます。まもなく観光船が出港いたします。ご利用のお客様は湖畔窓口にてお早めに乗船券をお買い求めくださいますようお願い申し上げます。This is the Asahikaoka pier for this Yamanaka excursion ship. The ship will depart momentarily, so please hurry or take a ticket at the lakeside counter in advance. 这里是山东湖观光船的立秋站桥，观光船要出航了。乘船的各位，请抓紧时间，在湖畔窗口购买船票。
Feed them.
Ang drasa ko.
Nasaan sila uncle? Ayun. Sila ide, ayun.
Saan? Doon sa ano pala, ayun, oh, ayun. Alam niyo kung nasaan eh.
You can feed that.
Yeah.
Aha, yeah.
Oh, okay.
from my hand.
Oh,
You have
Ano, 100 ba?
100.
Yeah, it's like 100 yen.
100 yen.
Yun. Ano yan? Saan pupunta yung lake na yan?
Nasa si Puji.
Ayun banda? Yan ba yun?
Ayun ba?
Ayan, ito. Ay, hindi naman. Yun lang, no?
That's it.
Yamanaka.
Yamanaka Lake. Fuji Taya.